Hey friends, Mark here, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to have you hanging out with me today. We're about to explore the world of big screen TVs, without breaking the bank. Today, I'm pumped to chat about the Toshiba 75-inch Class C350 Series LED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. Yeah, the name's a mouthful, but trust me, this TV might be exactly what you've been searching for. This model, 75C350 LUSQ 6560922, brings a ton to the table. 4K resolution, HDR support, and of course that massive 75-inch screen. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive in together. Hi there. Let's start by talking about something that matters to everyone. Getting the most value for your money. When you're in the market for a new TV, making sure you get a good deal is key. The Toshiba C350 is designed with affordability in mind, and it really delivers. It aims to give you excellent value without stretching your budget. You can often find this impressive 75-inch TV for under insert current price, which is a fantastic deal for a screen this size. Plus, it's widely available. Whether you prefer shopping on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, or other retailers, you'll have no trouble finding it. I'll include some helpful links in the description below so you can check out the latest prices. You might even spot a special offer or discount. Just remember, prices can change, so it's a good idea to compare across different sites. A little research could help you save even more. Even at its regular price, the C350 stands out as a great value for a 75-inch 4K TV. It's not easy to find a TV this big with solid features at this price point. The display quality and features you get for the price are genuinely impressive, raising expectations for what's possible in this range. We'll take a closer look at how it performs in real life as we go, so stay tuned to see if it lives up to its value promise. Of course, while price is a big factor, it's important to make sure the TV fits your needs and preferences too. If you're a serious gamer, or want the absolute best picture quality available, you might want to explore other options. There are TVs out there that cater more to those needs. But if you're looking for a reliable TV for everyday viewing, family movie nights, or catching your favorite sports, the C350 offers a great balance of performance and affordability. It's a smart choice for value-conscious shoppers. We already know that Toshiba C350 is easy on your wallet, but let's get to know what's actually inside this TV. What makes it stand out in a sea of options? Let's break it down together. Is it just about saving money, or does this TV have some cool features that make it special? Let's take a friendly tour through the tech and see what's under the hood. First up, you get a massive 75-inch 4K Ultra HD screen. That means the picture is super sharp, with a resolution of 3,840 by 2160 pixels, so you'll see tons of detail, even on such a big display. Compared to regular Full HD, 4K has 4 times as many pixels. That means everything looks clearer and more lifelike, especially when you're watching 4K movies or shows. The difference is easy to spot. The C350 also supports HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range. This is a fancy way of saying your TV can show brighter highlights, deeper darks, and a wider range of colors. With HDR, your favorite movies and shows look more vibrant and realistic. Whites are brighter, blacks are deeper, and colors really pop off the screen. Now, the HDR here isn't the fanciest you'll find, but for the price, it's a great bonus that makes your viewing experience better. You get HDR10 support, which is the most common type of HDR. You won't see Dolby Vision or HDR10 Plus here, but for most people, HDR10 is more than enough to enjoy a great picture. For everyday watching, HDR10 still gives you a noticeable upgrade in picture quality. It's a solid feature, especially at this price. Inside, the C350 is powered by a quad-core processor. Think of this as the TV's brain. It helps process images and run all the smart features smoothly. It's not the fastest processor out there, so if you're quickly flipping through menus or apps, you might notice a tiny bit of lag, but for everyday use it works just fine. One of the coolest things? The C350 comes with Amazon's Fire TV built right in. That means you get a smart TV experience straight out of the box. You'll have easy access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more, without needing any extra gadgets. No need for extra streaming sticks or boxes. Everything you need is already built in and ready to go. The Fire TV interface is simple and easy to use, and it works great with Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. It's designed so anyone can use it without any hassle. You even get a voice remote. Just talk to search for shows, control playback, or even manage your smart home devices. It's super convenient. So all in all, the Toshiba C350 packs in a bunch of awesome features for the price. It's a well-rounded TV that's easy to use and should make just about anyone happy. Let's celebrate what makes the Toshiba C350 such a standout TV, because honestly it's packed with features that make it a true winner. First, let's talk about the sheer size of this display. It's absolutely impressive. 75 inches of screen transforms your living room into a home theater, making every movie night or game day feel extra special. But it's not just about size. The picture quality is truly something to celebrate, especially at this price point. With 4K resolution, every detail pops and your favorite content looks sharper and more lifelike than ever. Watching 4K HDR content on Netflix and YouTube is a joy. The clarity and vibrancy are simply stunning. The colors are bright, vivid, and true to life, making every scene feel immersive and exciting. Even in darker scenes, the C350 holds its own. Any minor backlight bleed is easy to overlook when you're enjoying such a vibrant display. HDR content looks fantastic, with richer colors and deeper contrast that add real depth to your viewing experience. And the Fire TV platform, it's a game changer. So easy to use and packed with entertainment options. You get instant access to all your favorite streaming services, so there's always something new and exciting to watch. The included voice remote is another highlight. Just speak your command and the C350 responds. Finding shows and navigating menus has never been easier or more fun. The design is sleek and modern, making the C350 a beautiful addition to any space. Thin bezels create an immersive viewing experience, and the solid build quality means it's made to last. Gamers, rejoice! The C350 delivers a smooth and responsive gaming experience. With impressively low input lag, even with a PS5, your games feel fast and fluid. Fast-paced action? No problem. The C350 keeps up, with no noticeable lag or screen tearing. It's perfect for casual gaming sessions with friends and family. Everyone can join in the fun. The sound quality is another pleasant surprise. The built-in speakers deliver clear, enjoyable audio, impressive for a TV in this price range. And if you want to take things up a notch, adding a soundbar is a breeze for even bigger, richer sound. Customizing your experience is easy too, with plenty of picture settings to fine-tune the display to your liking. Plus, the energy-saving mode is a thoughtful feature for anyone looking to be a little more eco-friendly. All in all, the C350 is a celebration of value and performance. It's a fantastic upgrade for your home entertainment setup, bringing joy, excitement, and togetherness to every room. Let's quickly go over the main things you should know before deciding on the Toshiba C350. This TV offers a lot of value for its price, but there are a few compromises to keep in mind. First, the viewing angles aren't the best. If you watch from the side, colors and contrast can fade. This is usually fine for solo viewing or small groups, but could be an issue with a big crowd. Motion handling is another thing to consider. The C350 has a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is standard for this price. You might see some motion blur during fast scenes, but for everyday watching, it's not a big problem. If you're sensitive to motion, just keep this in mind. The processor isn't the fastest, so you might notice some lag when using menus or switching apps. The built-in speakers are decent, but not amazing. For better sound, consider adding a soundbar or a dedicated audio system. Finally, the HDR performance is solid for the price, even if it doesn't match high-end TVs. After spending some meaningful time with the Toshiba 75-inch C350 series, I want to help you figure out if it's the right fit for your home. The real question is, should you invest your money in this TV? As with most technology, the answer depends on your needs and what you value most. If you're searching for the absolute best picture quality, ultra-smooth motion, and every premium feature, this model might not check every box for you. There are other TVs that excel in those areas, but they often come with a much steeper price. And let's face it, not everyone wants to spend a fortune on a television. If your priority is getting a massive 75-inch 4K TV with a solid feature set at a price that's genuinely affordable, the C350 is definitely worth considering. It offers impressive value for your money, and at this price, it's hard to find a better deal. The 4K resolution and HDR support provide a clear step up from standard HD TVs, and the Fire TV platform is user-friendly and packed with useful features. Even for gaming, this TV performs surprisingly well for its price point, and its simple design should blend into most living rooms with ease. Of course, there are a few compromises to keep in mind, like limited viewing angles, some motion blur and average sound quality, but honestly, for the price, these are reasonable trade-offs for most people. Ultimately, whether the Toshiba 75-inch C350 series is right for you comes down to your personal needs and what you value in a TV. If you're working with a budget and want the biggest screen possible, this TV is a fantastic option to consider. I hope this helps you make the right choice. Happy watching. Thank you so much for joining me for this review of the Toshiba 75-inch C350 Series 4K TV. I truly appreciate you spending your time here with me. Your thoughts and feedback mean a lot, so please share them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, I'd be so grateful if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more warm, friendly tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks again for watching. I'm truly thankful for your support. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.